Hello students, today we are going to explain about Bezier curve animation. So this is a lab program. This is the 8th lab program, Bezier curve animation. Okay, so I'll just read the question. Develop a menu driven program to animate a flag using Bezier curve algorithm. So first of all, you have to develop a menu driven program. Menus you should create a menu and one more thing is you have to animate a flag, also. And the most important thing is you have to use Bezier curve algorithms. See, first of all, you have to draw curves. So you can use any algorithms, but here they have specified that you have to use Bezier curve algorithm. So this is the question. Now let's go to the how we can do this. How can you achieve this program? Okay, so I'll clear the question. So first of all, I will draw some points. So just go through the drawing which I am going to draw now. This is the first point, this is the second point, and third point. So there are 3 points over here. You can see over here there are 3 points. First point, this is the first point, this is the second point, and this is the third point. So these points are known as control points. These points are known as what? Control points. So that is most important, the name control points. So now I am going to draw a line, okay, or a curve, line or a curve. So line, curve, so you can use the synonym accordingly. Okay, so now I will use the word as curve. So I am going to draw the curve. So okay, now see here, you can see over here in the first diagram. Okay, in this diagram I am going to draw a curve. This is a draw, the yellow color line is a curve. So I have drawn the curve over the control points, see, this curve passes through all the control points. This curve passes through all the control point. Okay, so this has a name. This curve has a name that I'm going to type over here. Okay, so I'm going to type here. So this is I'll take it as case 1. I'll take it as what? Case 1. What is this case 1? Okay, and this name of this curve is called as interpolation curve. So this is called as interpolation curve. Why? I will tell you. What is this interpolation? Interpolation curve is a curve where the curve passes through all the control points. I think you can see here, this curve passes through all the control points. How many control points are there? 3 control points there. First control point, second control point, third control point. It passes through all the control points. This is called as interpolation curve. This is known as the interpolation curve. That is most important. This is interpolation curve. Now I am going to draw one more diagram. Okay, now I am going to draw one more diagram. Okay, let me draw the diagram. So I will draw 3 points. First point, second point, and third point. So 3 points. These points are called as control points. Again, 3 control points. So this point is known as control points. Now I am going to draw the curve. Okay, using this control points. Here in this diagram, you can see here, see, this is the yellow color line is the curve. So this curve may not pass through all the control points. So how many control points are there? 1, 2, 3. So it will not pass through the control point. It is coming near. It is coming near to the control point. Okay, all the control points are not passed here. Okay, so in this case one, you can see all the control points has been passed. It passes through all the control points. This is case 2. Okay, I'm going to write what is this case 2. Okay, I'm going to write down here case 2. What is this case 2? We'll see what is this case 2. Case 2. So this type of curve, whatever the above one, okay, whatever a case 2, this type of curve is called as a approximation curve. Approximation curve. Okay, approximation curve. So there are two types of curves now. One is interpolation curve, one is interpolation curve, and one more is approximation curve. So in interpolation curve, the curve passes through all the control points. Okay, the curve passes through all the control points. In approximation curve, case 2 approximation curve, the curve passes okay, not through, it will not pass through all the control points. Okay, it just goes very near to the control point. It just passes near to the control point. That this type of curve is known as a approximation. If it passes through all, interpolation. If not, it is approximation curve. Now the topic of discussion is about Bezier curve. Okay, so Bezier curve. So Bezier curve. So now Bezier curve. Okay, now Bezier curve. So this belongs to which one? That is the question. That is very important. Bezier curve belongs to which one? So Bezier curve belongs to approximation curve. Okay, Bezier curve belongs to which curve? Approximation. It is a type of approximation curve, Bezier curve, where it doesn't pass through all the control point, but it goes near. That is most important. It goes almost near. Okay, through the control point. That is known as a approximation curve. So these are the two types of curve which you have studied here.